According to page 84 of my owner's manual, it says the factory set code is located on the owner's wallet card in the glove compartment or at your dealer. So, I've got my owner's guide. I've got this card, which has the original date. Oh, hold on, I'll take it out. Has the original date that my car was made and the exact time. So, this year it turned exactly 12. So, that's cool. Anyway, there was a scheduled maintenance guide, a warranty guide, a tire warranty guide, safety advice card by Ford, and that's it. So, I don't have a wallet card. I'm not the original owner of this car, so maybe they have the wallet card, but I don't know. I'll see if I can find out at a dealership. We have one not too far away from us, but I'm not the original owner of this car, so I don't know if they can help me any.